Hey Fit Pros, leverage social media ads in 60 seconds. Here's how. Target audience. Use targeting options to reach potential clients based on interests, location, age, etc. Eye-catching visuals. Use compelling images or videos to stand out. Clear call to action. Make it clear what you want viewers to do after seeing your ad. Test and optimize. Try different ad formats, images, and messages. And don't forget to use insights to optimize future ads. Track results. Use analytic tools to track your ad performance and improve. That's it. Social media ads can effectively grow your fitness business. So give them a try and stay tuned for more Get Fit Fast fitness marketing tips in 60 seconds or less. And please like, subscribe and comment if this was helpful. I'll see you next time.